County, Granville County, Halifax County, Johnston County, Nash
Franklin
County,
County,
Person County,
Granville County,
Northeastern
Halifax
Saxon
County,
County, Vance County, Warren County, Wayne County, Wilson County, until 7:30 p.m.
Warren County, Wayne County, Wilson County, until 7:30 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., emergency management reported continued flooding in the warned area, although the heavy rain has ended. Lingering flooding is ongoing. Some locations that will experience continued flooding include Rocky Mount, Goldsboro, Roanoke Rapids, Henderson, Tarboro, Smithfield, Oxford, Roxboro, Nashville, Mount Olive, Creedmoor, Lewisburg, Warrenton, Halifax, Wilson, Clayton, Butner, Benson, Scotland Neck, and Franklinton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.